Want to create a new page in your Power Page site? Let's do it. It's easy. Start by selecting the plus symbol from the main navigation. Next, give the page a name and choose one of the standard layouts offered. To start designing your page, click anywhere in the section and choose Background from the pop-up menu. Let's find a nice picture to use for the background. And click. You could also choose just a color for the background for simplicity, but for now, let's stick with this. Now add a title to your page. From here, you can enter a few more lines of text if you like. And if you want to add a button here, like Contact Us, for example, simply select the plus sign above the text to add another spacer and add a new button. The Edit button prompt will appear. Type in Contact Us. Then select the Link to Page option from the pull-down. Choose the Contact Us page and hit OK. To see how you did, just select the Preview option to see your new page in your Power Pages site. And there it is. Let's learn how to update page locations within the site navigation. Whenever creating a new page, it will automatically be added to the Power Pages site navigation. In the Maker Studio, click on the ellipses to view the options. You can remove a page from the main navigation simply by choosing Move to Other Pages, like this. The page now appears in the Other Pages section. You can do this anytime you want a page to appear in the main menu. From here, pages can also be moved to a different position in the main nav by using the Move Up or Move Down options. Any changes will immediately be reflected in the main menu. If you want to move a page underneath an existing page or a different site navigation, just choose to make it a subpage. As a subpage, it can now be placed where you'd like it within the site hierarchy. Like this. You'll notice this change will now be reflected in both the site's main navigation. Pretty simple, huh? Now you can make your Power Pages site match your corporate branding in just 3 easy steps. By importing your logo, defining your color palette, and setting your fonts. First, go to the Power Pages Design Studio, where we'll upload your logo to the Portal Media Picker. Mouse over existing logo and select Image when the toolbar appears. Choose from an existing image from your media library or upload a new one. Let's upload your logo. Once the image is uploaded to the library, select it. Your logo should now be in place. So now let's update your color palette by adding primary brand colors and neutral complementary colors that will be used consistently across your entire site. Lastly, let's set your fonts to match your brand standards. From here, we can define the fonts for headers, subheads, paragraphs, and any buttons. You can also adjust the font sizes and colors based on your color palette. Any changes you make will immediately be reflected on your site. Select Save Changes to update your styling. The theme you updated will have a modified label, like this. If you want to start over, just select the ellipses and select Reset to Default. In the Pages workspace, you can use your new style elements to update other parts of your sites, like background colors too. Now that your Power Pages site looks and feels like the rest of your brand, now all you need to do is start creating content to fill out your site.